JeffJCunningham.com, inspire others always. Listen, go to JeffJCunningham.com and you will see the first website that I did with all the blogs. And I'll be writing out everything that I've done now and our Make More Money podcast, which we now just launched. We had a sponsor come out. It's $25,000 to be on. We include a mastermind that we're doing for $25,000 here. No time being the side chick. I've been the side chick many times too. The Lord has called me in a leading position, putting Him first with everything I do, and give everything back to Him. What I want to talk about is your life to 5 years, where you are. Give out all the time, and the people who do it get there. Everywhere I'm at is because I did this. Okay, so I'm going to read this out really quick to you. I laminate it. It's in my shower, so I listen to it every day, but I'm going to read it out for you guys right here. My life, August 2028. I'm 43 years old and the leading founder of one of the largest world franchises, Kokomo J's, in the U.S., buying up Starbucks locations across the world. So my brother passed away. His name is Jay. I'm building that in honor of him. That's my why. I have the utmost joy for my whole team as they're in office with Change Life Consulting in Miami, which I just got offered a studio out here, office to go to, where the signature celebrity podcast and luxury music studio has measurable impact, has changed lives. We just had a guy sign up for it. I'm officially the wealthiest man in the world, and the lady who broke my heart and did the guy a bar or anything has come back to me to do possible fulfillment and not things. Going to church with her tonight. We're going out to dinner as well. I'm taking her to dinner as well tonight, and some other people for Not Christmas. I'm filling my purpose with the greatest executions of the best seminars across the world as I'm doing what God has fully called me to do. We did Cabo. That changed my life with Domination Conference. And then we're doing something in Cancun and Italy coming up soon. I'm considering to run for office to keep God and godly principles center of America. My work family and real family are thriving as I'm the best version of myself that the Lord has sculpted me into, as I have given my all to Him 5 years prior. I'm worth over billions in own real estate worldwide. Real estate for Kokomo J's and for Shalom's business in the Philippines, and Nathaniel and his business ventures. I enjoy a life of limitless travel and experiences to change lives and give back endlessly what the Lord has given me. I have a show across all media networks and still return where it all started, for Midtown Miami. Much social impact thanks to June, Shalom, Nathaniel, and Mix. My life is a dream come true. All the sleepless nights sleeping in my car to grow my business have been worth it. Every brand I've been behind has been taken off as Angela of Empower Money is known as the #1 financially in the world. And Robert D'Angela and Turo Gambini are billionaires before they ever thought were possible by serving on boards and investing in businesses in real estate worldwide. I am so grateful for what I have. I'll never forget where I came from. I am committed to continually delivering, grow, and give back endlessly. I vibrate the highest level, and I radiate light to everyone around me. This is my life. Thank you, Jesus. So that's it, guys. Click like, subscribe, and share this to see the journey happening. It's already done, as they say. This is the biggest thing. Be what you are right there. Become, okay? Act as be, okay? I have a $25,000 podcast that people sponsor to be on. It's one of the top rated ones. Then we do the steps, right? We build it out. Then you have. Be, do, have. See you guys later. Go get a workout in today.